Today we will use the side words I, we, can, see, the, and a. We will use a cup, making some popcorn. We wrote these side words in sticky notes, then we made a popcorn with it. We will check the cup, check the cup, then pick one popcorn.
This is a popcorn, I think.
Yes, open it.
I'm not opening it.
What's the word? Put it beside its side words there. Yes. We can write it in a sentence. Can you write a sentence contain a? You can write I see okay, write it. I see S-E-E
S-E-E
a pen. Pen. Yeah, wonderful. You did a good job. We can pick another popcorn. Can you pick one?
Okay.
Okay, you can clean your board. Then you can pick another popcorn. Pick another popcorn.
I know what is this popcorn.
Okay.
I'm taking this popcorn.
Okay. What's written in it?
C.
Yes. Put it beside its card.
C.
Put it beside its card. You can write a sentence contain C.
I can see.
I see
a pencil.
Pencil. Okay. I see a pen. Pencil. C-I-L. If you want to add pencil. If you want pen, P-E-N. P-E-N. E-N. Yeah, good job, you.